Hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we will see how we can do keyword research with the help of AI. So what we're going to do is we are going to create an account on Fiverr. As you can see, I have already created an account on Fiverr and here are my gigs. These are the listings that and the services that I am providing. So what you can do is after creating an account on Fiverr, just go up here and switch to buying. So when you switch to buying mode, you can see that there are a lot of people and they are providing their services. You can see over here. So basically we want to find a keyword. For example, in this gig there is a keyword called travel blog. So let's say I search for travel blog. So here you can see there are a lot of people that are providing the services for a travel blog, and that girl over here, so they came up because it has a keyword travel blog inside the title of the gig. Okay, so we have here with this keyword travel blog, we have 1,625 services available on Fiverr. So basically we want to find a keyword, a writing keyword, because we want to give the services of writing. So later we can use ChatGPT to create a copyright free articles for our clients. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to see whenever we have less than 3,000 services or less than 2,000 services, that is the keyword we are going to use. Travel blog, we found a good keyword, but for keyword as well we are going to use ChatGPT. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I want to create a gig. So I want to create a gig on Fiverr. I want some keywords. So I want some keywords related to writing. So basically I am asking ChatGPT to give me some keywords that are related to writing, so I can give writing services on Fiverr. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Article writing, blog writing, copywriting, ghostwriting. Okay, so these are it has given me 20 keywords. So let's see one of these, like I like email writing. So you can go here and search for email writing. So it has 4,186 services. So it's a lot. Fiction writing. So make sure that it is as less as possible. You can go on, you can for example check all of these 20 and select the two that are that has very least services. So but I'm going to fiction writing, I'll just copy it and here I'll paste it like fiction writing. I'll just search for it. 1,519, it's very low and it's good. If you get it less than 1,000, that will be a lot better. Like I think social media content creation. So it's content creation, so it's not about writing. So we can go like press release writing. Let's see. So we are searching basically for keywords. So it has more services. So it is very difficult to be able to that clients will find you. It is very difficult that clients will find you when there are more services. Okay, so we're going for, let's say you have gone through all of these, or you can ask ChatGPT to create more. But what I'm going to do is I like fiction writing because I am already providing services related to fiction. So if I go here, write fiction writing, here you can see that the services are less than 2,000 even. Less than 1,000 will be the best fit. Less than 2,000, it's good. Okay. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to select a keyword. So for this example, our keyword is fiction writing. The next step is we are going to create a gig on fiction writing, so we can appear in these 1,500. And then the strategy, I'm going through the strategy. In the next video, we will learn how to create this gig. We will also learn to create these images. After that, what we're going to do is we have to be online as well. So if I go here and search for online sellers, you can see that 1,500 is now reduced to 166 services, and you can be discoverable after that. So that's it for the keyword research. We have found our keyword. In the next video, I will show you how we can create a gig on this keyword with the help of AI, of course. So let's jump into the other video.